Hello everyone and welcome back to another DIY Decoded video. In today's video we're going to look at what Parkside Tools are on sale at Lidl's nationwide from Sunday the 16th of March. The Parkside Tools keep coming thick and fast, so let's take a look at what's on sale this week before we head to the store and I'll see what I can get my hands on. We've also got a giveaway on the channel this week, so stay tuned for that. All you need to do to enter is like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment saying which part of the UK you're watching from. Let's get into it then. So, good selection of stuff this week, and first up we've got a 23-piece Parkside toolkit, usually $16.99 with the Lidl Plus app, which is free to download. It's £12.99. Includes loads of things you'd need just to get your DIY career started: tape measures, hammers, some screwdrivers, spirit levels. It comes in a nice little carry bag as well. So, really good set that for the price. Also on the Lidl Plus, we've got the Parkside electric planer, usually $29.99, $24.99 this week, so save yourselves £5 if you need to plane any wood. Next up, we've got the top pick and a really great bit of kit. So this is the Parkside bandsaw. So for the more serious DIY enthusiasts out there, this could be for you if you've got space in your shed or your workshop. Yeah, amazing bit of kit this will be for cutting wood, metal, all sorts of things. Just really speed up the process of making those cuts. It is obviously a bit more expensive, £100, but well worth the investment if you do a lot of that sort of work. The Parkside angle grinder, $19.99. This one is corded. Yeah, if you're looking for a good angle grinder, that's on sale this week. The 12-volt cordless multi-purpose tool. So this is the 12-volt system, so it is different to the 20-volt system. Uses a different battery set, so just make sure you've got the battery for it if you do decide to purchase that. We've got the electric tacker and nailer. So a few weeks ago we had the cordless one. This one is corded. It's slightly cheaper, that's £8.99. Up next we've got the cordless screwdriver with exchangeable attachments. So it's a 4-volt set. You can see some pictures here of it. It's got a couple of different exchangeable heads that you can put on and comes with some bits as well. For £20 that could be really good for getting into tight spaces. Even little jobs like when you're assembling flat pack furniture and things like that. Things like this are worth their weight in gold really. Next we've got the Parkside dolly trolley with pull handle. So I had a look at this. It's good for up to 250 kilos, so that's a pretty impressive load that can pull for £20. Obviously it's quite large, so you'll need somewhere to store it, but if you do often move things, that could be for you this week. And then we've got some lights. We've got one without a handle, one with a handle, both $4.99. These are not rechargeable. It's not a lithium battery. It's they use AA batteries, these. But they'll be on sale this week. Next up, we've got the Parkside Bluetooth ear defenders. So yeah, really cool. If you're looking for ear defenders, but you also want to be able to listen to music or take a phone call or something, a modern way of doing ear defenders, this could be for you. $29.99 on sale this week. We've also got the Parkside laser measurer. Now this may or may not be the giveaway this week, but yeah, really good for just measuring things accurately. If you're measuring between window frames and things like that, where getting a tape measure in is quite difficult, quite awkward to read sometimes, this will give you really precise measurements. Next we've got the ratchet screwdriver bit set. I believe you get 30 bits with this. They all sort of stow in the back of the actual handle itself. Really good just to have in a drawer somewhere. Loads of different options of bits as well to get you out of trouble. We've got the automatic wire strippers. So this comes in a 231-piece set in a nice little carry case. This has been on sale before. But yeah, for sort of basic electrical work, this is ideal really. It's got some little crimps and things as well you can put on there. £7.99 for that one. Then we've got a selection of multifunctional ratchets with different sizes. Yeah, all $7.99. But yeah, if you're undoing nuts and bolts, one of them does different sort of sizes. This could be for you this week. Digital calipers, so vernier calipers, £7.99. Up to 150 millimeters they measure. These are super accurate as well for measuring sort of holes and gaps and things like that. Always handy to have in your toolkit for that price. Then we've got a selection of glues, super glue, wood glue express, so that will go off obviously quickly. Wood glue water resistant if it's going to be in an area which is exposed to water, or just the original glue. $1.49 for the super glue, the others are $2.49. And then we've got the Parkside digital angle finders. So these are amazing if you're making things like, you know, coving, custom made skirting boards, things like that, where the angles might not be 90 or something. You want to measure exactly what it is, transfer it to a tool to make the cut. This is perfect for knowing that, getting really good quality finishes and miters. And then we've got some tape, so packing tape, masking tape, and a clear packaging tape as well. $3.99 3M tape, so you know they're going to be good quality. So a lot of good things on sale this week. Once again, please do like and subscribe and enter the giveaway. But for now, let's head over to the store and see what we can pick up. Right, so here we are, guys. It's Sunday the 16th of March. We've got another Parkside Tool special this week. So let's go in store and see what we can pick up. Right, so first up we've got the ratchet screwdriver, £6.99. Comes in this nice little set, all colour coded. You can see on the back the different types you get there, 31 pieces. Good little buy for that price. Next up we've got the toolkit, so this is £12.99 with the Lidl Plus, so save yourselves £5. Here it is in a nice carry case. Comes with, you know, some handy features to get you started on your DIY career. Next up we've got the cordless screwdriver, 4 volts, £19.99. Comes with all the attachments and bits. The dolly trolley, £19.99. You can see it here, pretty sturdy, 4 wheels with a handle. The wire stripper and ply set, £7.99. Comes in a nice Parkside case. All the bits in there with it. The Bluetooth ear defenders, top pick this week, £29.99. Here they are. It says on the front they all come in size medium, but they seem to fit me absolutely fine, and I've not got a small or big head, so I think that will fit the majority of people. But yeah, really nice set there. Next we've got the electric planer, so save yourself £5 on this one with Lidl Plus as well, £24.99. This is mains powered, comes with all the stuff, 750 watts. Angle grinder for £19.99. Again, also corded, good for metal, stone and concrete, so a good addition. Hammer drill wasn't advertised but was on the shelves, £19.99. Corded again, 750 watts. We've got the bandsaw, which was the top pick this week. It is £99.99. Serious bit of kit. Hard to get a great angle of it because it's obviously in such a big box, but there was a few of those on the shelves. The multi-tool set, £24.99. This is the 12 volt oscillating multi-tool. Comes with a light and that, all built in. Pads and door wedges. There was a selection of these in there, as you can see. I'm holding up there. Door stops, door wedges, door pads, some felt, foam pads, all in different sizes, all £1.49 in that section. Drill bits, £6.99. There was wood, masonry and metal drill bits. Yeah, for £7 you do get a lot of drill bits in that section. Distance measurer, so this is the laser measure, £12.99. There it is. Comes in a nice little carry case as well to protect it, which is good. The LED lights, so there was one with a handle, one without, both £4.99. AA battery powered. Yeah, really good if you're working remotely and need some extra light. Caliper and angle finder, so this is the digital caliper to start with, £7.99, millimeters or inches. And then we've got the digital angle finder, obviously in degrees. And then we've got over here the electric tacker and nailer. So yeah, really good if you're putting in staples and things for £8.99. Save your wrist getting whacked. A few of those on the shelf. Assortment of glues. The Gorilla glues, slightly different to what was shown on the website actually, but still wood glues, super glues. Yeah, you can see the wood glue there. And then the masking tapes, £3.99. You've got like 4 in a row, so really good value here. 3M tapes, packaging tape, clear, and the brown packaging tape as well. So all your tapes are covered this week too. Then we've got the ratchets, multifunctional ratchet wrenches. There was a few of those in the sets, in different shapes and sizes, all sorts of bits on the end there. And of course, at the minute, we've got the great big garden event that Lidl are running as well in the middle of Lidl. So every week they're adding to this. These came out on Thursday. There's loads of stuff still on the shelves from the previous weeks as well. Planters, edging things, ground sheets, hose attachments, planters with trellis. Yeah, you can see that was on a Lidl Plus there, £24.99. Little bedding pots, all sorts of stuff. Really good selection. The weather's obviously getting better in the UK at the minute, so it's the time to be out in the garden getting it all ready for the summer. So well worth popping down, seeing what your local Lidl's got on its shelves. And they will be adding to this every single week, so you can expect to see loads and loads of different things added up every week. On the website it does tell you what's coming. Welly boots, his and hers. Yeah, all very well stocked still. So while you're looking for your tools, definitely worth having a quick look at this. Water butt, I think this was at the end. Big sort of foldable, collapsible water butt. So, right, this is me on the way to the checkout to purchase everything. Right, so I'm back from Lidl. This is what I've picked up today. I'll go through them all in a little bit of detail in a minute. Just firstly, this is going to be the giveaway prize. It's the laser distance measurer. So just a reminder, to win this, all you need to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below saying where you're from, where your local Lidl is, and I will post this to any address in the UK. Closing date will be next Sunday, the 23rd of March. So yeah, if you want to enter that, just like the video, comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed. Good luck. Right, so first up is the Bluetooth ear defenders. I picked these up. They were £29.99. Yeah, battery runtime of 23 hours. They're a lithium battery. It comes with the USB-C cable. First impressions are really good, actually. Build quality seems good. They're all in size medium. But yeah, they seem to fit absolutely fine. Really good idea, really. Keep the noise out, and obviously you can listen to music or something while you work. At safe levels. So yeah, pretty pleased with these ones. Next up, we got the 4-volt cordless screwdriver. This has actually got 4 exchangeable attachments as well, which is really good. It comes with quite a few different bits as well, drivers, and the USB charger as well. It's lithium ion, so you can keep charging it up. Max torque 10 newtons, charge time 60 minutes, and 200 RPM. Comes in a really nice case, like a lot of the Parkside stuff. It's in green and in red now. You've got a user manual here. You've got the exchangeable heads here, the actual tool itself. Really nice in the hand, really small. It's got a light on the front, you know, battery light, tells you which way you're screwing, if you're going clockwise or anti-clockwise. Little attachments, driver bits, yeah, and really easy to change these over. I'll just show you a couple of examples. Okay, so here we've got the cutting tool attachment. Really easy to fit. You just take this little rubber grommet off, and then you've got your attachment, ideal for cutting through things. Next up, we've got the right angled tool attachment. So this is amazing for getting to really short tight spaces. You can see there, clockwise, anti-clockwise, short drill bit, 90-degree angle, absolutely perfect, that one. Okay, and the other two, this one is a torque attachment, so it's got different speeds for different sort of size screws, so you can set that. And then this one's an offset as well, so it offsets the head so you can get into some different spaces as well. So yeah, really cool for £20. Just this initial impression is really great on this one. Definitely would recommend picking a set of this up. Next up, we've got the digital calipers, the vernier calipers, measuring range of 0 to 150mm. Comes in this really nice case. I don't even see there's a little picture there as well of what they are engraved in. I'll just open it up. There it is in the nice case. Yeah, just open it up and it comes on. Millimeters or inches, you can obviously zero things. If we just take a little measurement there, that plastic is, yeah, just over a mil thick, 1.2 mil thick. And on the other side you can sort of measure distances there. What have we got there? That hole is about 4 mil, that distance. So yeah, obviously pretty standard tool, but for $7.99 in a really nice case, seems to be very good value for money. Next up, we've got the digital handle finder, 0 to 360 degrees, accuracy of 0.1 degree. Again, comes in a really nice case like the verniers did. You can see there it's got the engraving as well in the same Parkside case. Comes with a little manual. Let me just open that up. There it is again, housed nicely inside. Just slide it open to start the readings. These are really useful for a variety of applications. I'll show you one now. Okay, so just a quick example here. If you're like measuring a external angle on a wall or an internal angle, you might just assume it's 90. You can use this, set it to it, and what you think is 90 is actually 87.3. So really good way to quickly find measurements, and be able to make things like clothing, skirting boards, those sort of things. Really useful. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Remember, the laser distance measurer is the giveaway this week. To win it, just like, subscribe, and leave a comment from where your local Lidl is, and I will pick a winner next Sunday. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers. Goodbye.